Unlock your international funds seamlessly by learning how to transfer money from Xoom directly to your Bkash account. First things first, open your Xoom app or visit the Xoom website on your preferred device. Ensure you are logged into your Xoom account. Next, select Send Money. You'll need to choose the destination country in this case. Select Bangladesh. Now, for the crucial step, choose the delivery method look for and select the Mobile Money option. This is where we'll route your funds to Bkash. You will then be prompted to enter the recipient's details. Since we are transferring to Bkash, you will need to provide the recipient's valid Bkash account number. Enter the amount you wish to send. Xoom will display the exchange rate and any applicable fees, giving you a clear overview of the total cost before you proceed. Carefully review all the details on the confirmation screen: recipient's Bkash number, the amount being sent, and the total cost. If everything looks correct, proceed to the next step. Now, choose your preferred payment method to fund the Xoom transfer. This could be a linked bank account, debit card, or credit card. Once your payment is confirmed, your money is on its way. The funds will be credited to the specified Bkash account shortly, usually within minutes. And there you have it. Your international funds are now easily accessible through your Bkash mobile wallet, ready for you to use. Transferring money internationally has never been more convenient. Subscribe for more quick and helpful financial guides.